and shooting competitions, judging distance, and such like professional subjects. The selection process is there. If you do the Thal Sena camp, or for the Air Force, the Vayu Sena camp, for the Navy, the Navy Nav Sena camp, Karnataka state government, I wonder if you have seen the board outside. Have you seen the board outside? What are the number of vacancies? Anybody can tell how many vacancies are there for the engineering? Can't hear, say loudly. So, these are the large number of vacancies for anybody who wants to join engineering. If you are a B certificate holder and that you come in the normal merit, NCC has these many vacancies available. If you do RDC, that is the Republic Day camp at Delhi, you are on priority 1. There are students in the civil field who got an average 50%, who were very average in the merit of CET, and they were able to get into Bangalore Medical College because they had done the Republic Day camp. So this is a facility given to those students who may not be able to do very well in their studies. Similarly, if you win any gold medal in any of these national level camps, you are priority 1. You will get the best of engineering colleges, you will get the best of medical colleges. Similarly, if you do the other camps or at the national level, there are something called national integration camps. There is something called special national integration camps, where students of all the states participate in that. You have an exposure with interacting with other children of other states. Similarly, you have attachment camps, which are lower on priority. Further, you have the rock climbing courses, you have the advanced leadership courses, you have basic leadership courses, a large number of mountaineering courses. So, my suggestion to you, and especially those, is that if you do participate into the activities, attend these camps, you would probably benefit. It is probably that you are not aware that there are a large number of opportunities, whether you want to join the armed forces, whether you want to join a medical, engineering, want to do a post-graduation later on, and even some of you who are looking forward to working in the corporate houses like Reliance or Tata's, etc. Nowadays, the corporate houses, that is business houses, all these companies are asking for good C certificate qualified students who they can employ, because they consider that NCC is a disciplined lot. They consider that NCC has good leaders. They look into such material. So this is all what I want to tell you about NCC, and we have had an interaction like the principal mentioned. I will do my best to give any vacancy and how many number of vacancies or wherever it has to be given. I will try my best to give the vacancies. Similarly, I would expect and suggest that the motivation has to come from you within, that life has to be lived, and life is not only studies. You have to grow, and the school would help you in all-round development. Only if you have an all-round, well-rounded, physically and mental, robust personality, would you be living your life in full. Have a balanced way of looking at life. Do not concentrate only on the studies part. The studies part can only bring you to a certain level. We have in the army where the students, after having qualified in the IIT and done their engineering in the IIT, come and join the army. So my suggestion to all of you, firstly all of you who are interested in joining the army, navy and the air forces, You must join, carry out the activities, work hard, you will definitely join. And for those of you who think you want to join other professions, you must have your activities balanced. That means work you must do, but also devote time for adventure activities and other physical activities, which the school and the NCC is putting you through. You will see and you have heard a large number of Ajits are doing extremely well in their fields, in the country and outside the country. Today you ask any Ajit who are outside in various fields, each one of us attribute ourselves doing well primarily because we are the alumni of Sainik School, Bijapur. So, I'm sure in future you will all make the school proud and do exceptionally well in whatever field you choose. And anything which you want to ask me, I'm open for questions. Before that, I would like to leave a thought with you. How did you join Sainik School? Because you or your parents thought, I'm saying thought, that you should come into this school because this is a best school. So it all began with a thought. Then you put that into action. That is, your parents put you into training you for getting into the entrance examinations, and you yourself work extremely hard to get into the school. Therefore, your thought, your action, your effort has put you into the school. Similarly, in future, whatever you want to be, wherever you want to be, whatever you want to achieve, it all begins with a thought. You should be confident of yourself that this is my thought, this is my aim, this is my goal. Have a thought, have a positive thought, and work towards it, and you will be there. So I wish you all the very best in whatever field you want to go, and live life every day, live every minute, participate in every way. Don't worry about what will happen if so and so does. There should be no fear. Absolutely no fear of anything. Because there are some of the civilians who ask us that your life is dangerous. No, the life is not dangerous. Because we have been through experiences in Nagaland in the 80s where we used to have terrorist activities. So we have had counter-terrorism activities there where the bullets would be flying. We have had experiences in places like Kashmir where we had very frequent encounters with the militants. So the bullets have been flying over in all directions. So if one thought that yes, this bullet will hit me, then we will not go into an action. But that bullet, wherever it has to go, it will go, irrespective of whether you think or not. But if you start fearing that that bullet will hit me, finally the bullet may not hit you at all. But you are still undergoing the agony that the bullet may hit me, and that is fear. So, I am giving this as an example. Fear nothing. Abhi hai. That is a motto. Work without fear. Definitely you will reach what you want. Have your thoughts fearless. Get into action fearless. Make it a habit fearless, and that will be your culture with no fear, and that is Abhithai, and you will be unconquerable. You will always win, and that is Ajit Hai. So we have a life in the motto of the school: Ajit Hai, Abhit Hai. So it is something very great, and people who have made this motto, it is not for the sake of making a motto, but it is the very basis of our life, that we have to live a life fearless, and we have to win and be unconquerable. So I'm sure all of you will be fearless and will be unconquerable. Ajit hai, Abhit hai. I thank the principal, my master, staff, and you all for giving me this opportunity to be here with you. And I look forward to interacting with you whenever, wherever, and at all times. And I'll cherish all the moments whenever we interact. Now, any of you have any questions which you want to ask me, you're most welcome.